She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind. Got that confidence and style. She's blowing your mind.
Hi lovers, I hope you're all okay and doing fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll show you a few days of my life. So feel free to like and comment, share if possible. You're all welcome and thanks for supporting me. I love my hair. I love them so much. Pineapple, one man's show, and pink amber. It smells heavenly. Smells amazing. Nivea Men. Moisturizing. This is my small mirror. I just want to buy a new one, a big one. So for now, let's use this one. So this is me ready to go to work. all doing okay? I'm doing fine as well. Let me do this because this journey so far has been going on very good and I'm loving it. Thanks to you also, my people. I wanna get a name to call you, by the way. I don't want to be calling you again, my people, my subscribers, my viewers. I want to call you, I want to get a name and call you lovers. Lovers sounds good, but I'll get a name to be calling you people, since I don't want to call you viewers, now subscribers, because you are very special people to me. You are so special. You are the ones who are contributing to this journey. There's background noise and I don't have a camera, so bear with me, guys. So I was telling you that you're very special to me. You're the ones who are keeping me focused. You're the ones who are making me continue with this journey, you know. Without you, I could have given up already. So, guys, I'm so humbled. Today is on Wednesday. I'm from work. I am from work. I just came right now. I just took a shower. And I decided to share with you what my day has been, what I've bought, you know, some little stuff, but your girl is happy. But I am so happy. I am so proud of myself for doing this. And we are going to do this. Yeah? Always affirm myself that way, that we are going to do this. Whichever circumstances, whichever things, like right now, my phone is out of storage. Right now, I don't know, I don't have the quality camera. Maybe I don't have a good audio system. But as long as you are getting me, you're hearing me, slow but sure. Everyone started this way. I just can say that, or just assure myself that everyone started from somewhere. And I'm also starting from somewhere. So later in the years, maybe I'll go back to these videos and just say, this was me. This is how I started. And this is how I did everything that I'm seeing growth. Yeah, I'll be able to say that. So let me get right away to show you what I have purchased or got. I passed by on my way here. There was a Mtush guy, so I purchased two blouses. Let me show you. This is how it looks. I wanna do knotless braids, just so that I'll get this one. It's a pre-stretched color 230. Yeah, I just love this color so much. So I'm going to do this right on weekend, maybe. It's going to be plaited this, yeah. Then I went to buy a store and got this. It's a vest. I just love this, just like this one. Yeah, I just saw this color. Just saw it. It was very beautiful. I loved it. And it was only going for 30 shillings, by the way. Just so that I should get it. And another top. This can be an official kind. Yeah. I'll just wear it as an official top. Here, this is how it looks. So beautiful. It's that they are just thrifts, all of them. This is just another top that was only 30 shillings. At the back it's this way, the front it's this way. Yeah, that's all for the tops.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is